Hey there, fellow travelers. Welcome back to Connolly Cove, your ultimate destination for travel inspiration from around the world. Today, we're transporting you to the stunning island of Lefkada, Greece, to uncover one of its most pristine treasures, Kathisma Beach. Get ready to dive into turquoise waters, relax on golden sands, and explore the best ways to make your Kathisma Beach experience unforgettable. But before we begin, remember to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss another exciting travel video. Lefkada is known for its breathtaking beaches, and Kathisma is no exception. With its crystal clear waters and dramatic cliffs, it's a paradise waiting to be discovered. Kathisma Beach is conveniently located on the island's west coast, just a short drive from the capital, Lefkada town. You can easily reach it by car or even by bus. When it comes to parking, there are designated areas, but they can fill up quickly, especially during peak season. So, consider arriving early to secure a good spot. If you're an adrenaline junkie, don't miss the opportunity to try out some thrilling water sports like parasailing or jet skiing. The beach's gentle slope into the sea makes it a safe and fun spot for beginners too. Timing is crucial when it comes to enjoying Kathisma Beach to the fullest. It tends to get crowded during the summer months, especially in July and August. For a more tranquil experience, consider visiting during the shoulder seasons of spring or early autumn. And there you have it, fellow travelers. Kathisma Beach in Lefkada, Greece, is a coastal paradise that offers everything you need for a perfect day by the sea. Whether you're looking for relaxation, adventure, or simply a breathtaking view, you'll find it here. If you've been to Kathisma Beach or if you're planning to visit, share your experiences and tips in the comments below. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more travel adventures from Connolly Cove. Until next time.